This beautiful needle lace border is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your dresses, tablecloths, t-shirt necklines, or sleeves. Let's get started. Start by choosing your cotton fabric and cutting it to the desired size. If you prefer, you can use an embroidery hoop to stabilize the fabric, but it's not necessary for this project. Or sleeves. Let's get started. You can use different colors of floss for a more decorative effect. Experiment with different fabrics and thread colors to match your project. Dark fabric with light threads or vice versa can create stunning contrasts. Add small beads or sequins to the lace for an extra touch of sparkle and uniqueness.